Hi, hello friends. This is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్ కి సంబంధించి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ అనేవి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. సో వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, యాజ్ యూజువల్ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ కి మధ్య 5 seconds గ్యాప్ ఇస్తాను. అండ్ ఆ 5 seconds లో మీరు ఆన్సర్ అనేది గెస్ చేయండి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్. Which of these best describes an array? Option A, a data structure that shows an hierarchical behavior. Option B, container of objects of similar types. Option C, arrays are immutable once initialized. Option D, array is not a data structure. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option B, container of objects of similar types. Second bit, how do you initialize an array in C? Answer అనేది గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి. థర్డ్ బిట్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ అరేస్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ, object of mixed data type can be stored. Option B, elements in an array cannot be stored. Option C, index of first element of an array is 1. Option D, easier to store element of same data type. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, easier to store elements of same data type. Fourth bit, what are the disadvantages of array? Option A, data structure like queue or stack cannot be implemented. Option B, there are chances of wastage of memory space if elements inserted in an array are lesser than the allocated space. Option C, index value of an array can be negative. Option D, elements are sequentially accessed. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, there are chances of wastage of memory space if elements inserted in an array are lesser than the allocated size. Fifth bit, assuming int is of 4 bytes, what is the size of int array of 15? Answer, option A 15, option B 19, option C 11, option D 60. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D 60. Sixth bit, in general the index of the first element in an array is dash. Option A 0, option B -1, option C 2, option D 1. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A 0. Seventh bit, elements in an array are accessed by dash. Option A randomly, option B sequentially, option C exponentially, option D logarithmically. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A randomly. Eighth bit, process of inserting an element in stack is called dash. Option A create, option B push, option C evolution, option D pop. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B push. Ninth bit, process of removing an element from stack is called dash. Option A create, option B push, option C evolution, option D pop. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D pop. 10th bit, in a stack if a user tries to remove an element from empty stack it is called dash. Option A underflow, option B empty collection, option C overflow, option D garbage collection. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A underflow. 11th bit, pushing an element into stack already having 5 elements and stack size of 5, then stack becomes option A overflow, option B crash, option C underflow, option D user flow. Answer guess cheyandi. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఓవర్ఫ్లో. 12th bit. What data structure would you mostly like to see in a non-recursive implementation of a recursive algorithm? Option A linked list, option B stack, option C queue, option D tree. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B stack. 13th bit. The process of accessing data stored in a serial access memory is similar to manipulating data on a dash. Option A heap, option B binary tree, option C array, option D stack. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D stack. 14th bit. Which data structure is needed to convert infix notation to postfix notation? Option A branch, option B tree, option C queue, option D stack. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D stack. 16th bit. The data structure required for breadth first traversal on a graph is option A stack, option B array, option C queue, option D tree. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C queue. 16th bit. A queue follows dash. Option A FIFO first in first out principle. Option B LIFO last in first out principle. Option C ordered array. Option D linear tree. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A FIFO first in first out principle. 17th bit. Circular queue is also known as dash. Option A ring buffer, option B square buffer, option C rectangle buffer, option D curve buffer. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A ring buffer. 18th bit. Queues serve major role in dash. Option A simultation of recursion, option B simultation of arbitrary linked list, option C simultation of limited resource allocation, option D simultation of heap sort. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C simultation of limited resource allocation. 19th bit. A linear collection of data elements where the linear node is given by mean of pointer is called option A linked list, option B node list, option C primitive list, option D unordered list. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A linked list. 20th bit. Linked lists are not suitable for the implementation of option A insertion sort, option B radix sort, option C polynomial manipulation, option D binary search. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D binary search. 21st bit. Linked list is considered as an example of dash type of memory allocation. Option A dynamic, option B static, option C compile time, option D heap. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A dynamic. 22nd bit. In linked list implementation, a node carries information regarding dash. Option A data, option B link, option C data and link, option D node. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B link. 23rd bit. Linked list data structure offers considerable saving in dash. Option A computation time, option B space utilization, option C space utilization and computationing time, option D speed utilization. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి Option C, space utilization and computational time. 24th bit. What differentiates a circular linked list from a normal linked list? Option A, you cannot have the next pointer point to null in a circular linked list. Option B, it is faster to traverse the circular linked list. Option C, you may or may not have the next pointer point to null in a circular linked list. Option D, head node is known in circular linked list. Answer yes చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option C. You may or may not have the next pointer point to null in a circular linked list. 25th bit. Which of the following application makes us of a circular linked list? Option A, undo operation in a text editor. Option B, recursive function calls. Option C, allocating CPU to resource. Option D, implemented hash tables. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option C, allocating CPU to resources. 26th bit. What does stack underflow refers to? Option A, accessing items from an undefined stack. Option B, adding items to a full stack. Option C, removing items from an empty stack. Option D, index out of bounds exception. Answer yes చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, removing items from an empty stack. 27th bit. What does stack overflow refers to? Option A, accessing items from an undefined stack. Option B, adding items to a full stack. Option C, removing items from an empty stack. Option D, index out of bounds exception. Answer yes చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, adding items to a full stack. 28th bit. Which of the following data structures can be used for parenthesis matching? Option A, n-ary tree. Option B, queue. Option C, priority queue. Option D, stack. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, stack. 29th bit. Minimum number of queues to implement stack is dash. Option A, 3. Option D, 4. Option C, 1. Option D, 2. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, 1. 30th bit. What is the time complexity of enqueue operation? Option A, order of log n. Option B, order of n log n. Option C, order of n. Option D, order of 1. Answer yes చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, order of 1. 31st bit. What is the need for a circular queue? Option A, effective uses of memory. Option B, easier computation. Option C, to delete elements based on priority. Option D, implemented LIFO principle in queues. Answer yes చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, effective uses of memory. 32nd bit. In linked list implementation of a queue, where does a new element be inserted? Option A, at the head of the linked list. Option B, at the center position in the linked list. Option C, at the tail of the linked list. Option D, at any position in the linked list. Answer yes చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, at the tail of the linked list. 33rd bit. In linked list implementation of a queue, from where is the item deleted? Option A, at the head of the linked list. Option B, at the center position in the linked list. Option C, at the tail of the linked list. Option D, node before the tail. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, at the head of the linked list. 34th bit. In linked list implementation of a queue, the important condition for a queue to be empty is option A, front is null. Option B, rear is null. Option C, link is empty. Option D, front is equal to rear minus 1. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, ఫ్రంట్ ఈజ్ నల్. 35th bit. With what data structure can a priority queue be implemented? Option A, array. Option B, list. Option C, heap. Option D, tree. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి, ట్రీ. 36th bit. What is a dequeue? Option A queue with insert delete defined from both front and rear ends of the queue. Option B, a queue implemented with a double linked list. Option C, a queue implemented with both singly and doubly linked list. Option D, a queue with insert delete defined from front side of the queue. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A queue with insert delete defined from both front and rear ends of the queue. 37th bit. What are the applications of dequeue? Option A still job scheduling algorithm. Option C, can be used as both stack and queue. Option C, to find the minimum of all sub arrays of size. Option D, to avoid collision in hash tables. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, to avoid collision in hash tables. 38th bit. How many stacks are required for applying evolution of infix expression algorithm? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 2. 39th bit. How many passes does the evolution of infix expression algorithm makes through the input? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 1. 40th bit. Evolution of infix expression is done based on precedence of operators. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, true. 41st bit. Of the following choice, which operator has the lowest precedence? Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D. 42nd bit. How many stacks are required for evolution of prefix expression? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 2. 43rd bit. While evaluating a prefix expression, the string is read from option A, left to right. Option B, right to left. Option C, center to right. Option D, center to left to right. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, right to left. 44th bit. What determines the order of evolution of a prefix expression? Option A, precedency and associativity. Option B, precedency only. Option C, associativity only. Option D, depends on the parser. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, precedency and associativity. 45th bit. Find the output of the following prefix expression. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 2. 46th bit. What is the other name for a postfix expression? Option A, normal Polish notation. Option B, reverse Polish notation. Option C, Warsaw notation. Option D, infix notation. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి Option B, reverse Polish notation. 47th bit. Which of the following is an example for an postfix expression? Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B. 48th bit. What is the time complexity for evolution of postfix expression algorithm? Option A, order of n. Option B, order of n log n. Option C, order of n square. Option D, order of m log n. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, order of n. 49th bit. What data structure is used when converting an infix notation to prefix notation? Option A, stack. Option B, queue. Option C, beatrice. Option D, linked list. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, stack. 50th bit. What would be the prefix notation for the given equation? Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C. 51st bit. What would be the prefix notation for the given equation? Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A. 52nd bit. When an operand is read, which of the following is done? Option A, it is placed on to the output. Option B, it is placed in operator stack. Option C, it is ignored. Option D, operator stack is empty. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, it is placed onto the output. 53rd bit. Which of the following is an infix expression? Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A. 54th bit. What is the postfix expression for the infix expression? Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B. 55th bit. In infix to postfix conversion algorithm, the operators are associated from option A, right to left. Option B, left to right. Option C, center to left. Option D, center to right. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, left to right. 56 bit. When converting the prefix notation into an infix notation, the first step to be followed is dash. Option A, reverse the equation. Option B, push the equation to the stack. Option C, push the equation into the queue. Option D, push the equation to the stack or queue. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, reverse the equation. 57th bit. Which of the following data structure is used to convert postfix expression into infix expression? Option A, stack. Option B, queue. Option C, linked list. Option D, heap. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, stack. 58th bit. The optimal data structure used to solve Tower of Hanoi is dash. Option A, tree. Option B, heap. Option C, priority queue. Option D, stack. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, stack. 59th bit. Which is the most appropriate data structure for reversing a word? Option A, queue. Option B, stack. Option C, tree. Option D, graph. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, stack. 60th bit. What is a bit array? Option A, data structure for representing arrays of records. Option B, data structure that compactly stores bits. Option C, an array in which most of the elements have the same value. Option D, array in which elements are not present in continuous locations. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్ దట్ కాంపాక్ట్లీ స్టోర్స్ బిట్స్. 61st bit. What is a dynamic array? Option A, a variable size data structure. Option B, an array which is created at runtime. Option C, the memory to the array is allocated at runtime. Option D, an array which is reallocated every time whenever new element has to be added. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, a variable size data structure. 62nd bit. What is meant by physical size in a dynamic array? Option A, the size allocation to elements. Option B, the size extended to add new elements. Option C, the size of the size of the underlying arrays at the back end. Option D, the size visible to user. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, the size of the underlying array at the back end. 63rd bit. The number of items used by the dynamic array contains is its dash. Option A, physical size. Option B, capacity. Option C, logical size. Option D, random size. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, logical size. 64th bit. Array is divided into two parts in dash. Option A, hashed array tree. Option B, geometric array. Option C, bounded size dynamic array. Option D, sparse array. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, bounded size dynamic array. 65th bit. What are parallel arrays? Option A, arrays of the same size. Option B, arrays allocated one after the other. Option C, arrays of the same number of elements. Option D, arrays allocated dynamically. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, arrays of the same number of elements. 66th bit. What is a skip list? Option A, a linked list with size value in nodes. Option B, a linked list that allows faster search within an ordered sequence. Option C, a linked list that allows slower search within an ordered sequence. Option D, a tree which is in the form of linked list. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, a linked list that allows faster search within an ordered sequence. 67th bit. How many children does a binary tree have? Option A, 2. Option B, any number of children. Option C, 0 or 1 or 2. Option D, 0 or 1. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, 0 or 1 or 2. 68th bit. Advantages of linked list representation of binary tree over arrays. Option A, dynamic size. Option B, easy of insertion deletion. Option C, easy in randomly accessing a node. Option D, both dynamic size and easy in insertion deletion. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, both dynamic size and easy in insertion and deletion. 69th bit. Level order traversal of a tree is formed with the help of option A, breadth first search. Option B, depth first search. Option C, Prime's algorithm. Option D, none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, breadth first search. 70th bit. What is the traversal strategy used in binary tree? Option A, depth first traversal. Option B, breadth first traversal. Option C, random traversal. Option D, priority traversal. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, breadth first traversal. 71st bit. How many types of insertion are performed in a binary tree? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి 2. 72nd bit. To obtain a prefix expression, which of the tree traversal is used? Option A, level order traversal. Option B, pre-order traversal. Option C, post-order traversal. Option D, in-order traversal. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, pre-order traversal. 73rd bit. A full binary tree can be generated using dash. Option A, post-order and pre-order traversal. Option B, pre-order traversal. Option C, post-order traversal. Option D, in-order traversal. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, post-order and pre-order traversal. 74th bit. The number of edges from the root to the node is called dash of the tree. Option A, height. Option B, depth. Option C, length. Option D, width. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, డెప్త్. 75th bit. What is a full binary tree? Option A, each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. Option B, each node has exactly 2 children. Option C, all the leaves are at the same level. Option D, each node has exactly 1 or 2 children. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. 6th bit. What is a complete binary tree? Option A, each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. Option B, a binary tree which is completely filled with the possible exception of the bottom level, which is filled from right to left. Option C, a binary tree which is completely filled with the possible exception of the bottom level, which is filled from left to right. Option D, a tree in which all nodes have degree 2. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, a binary tree which is completely filled with the possible exception of the bottom level, which is filled from left to right. 77th bit. AA trees are implemented using option A, colors. Option B, levels. Option C, node size. Option D, heaps. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, levels. 78th bit. Which of the following trees is similar to that of an AA tree? Option A, Splay Tree. Option B, B plus tree. Option C, ABL tree. Option D, red black tree. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి, రెడ్ బ్లాక్ ట్రీ. 79th bit. What is an ABL tree? Option A, a tree which is balanced and is a height balanced tree. Option B, a tree which is unbalanced and is a height balanced tree. Option C, a tree with 3 children. Option D, a tree with at most 3 children. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, a tree which is balanced and is a height balanced tree. 80th bit. What is the maximum height of an ABL tree with P nodes? Option A, P. Option B, log P. Option C, log P by 2. Option D, P by 2. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, log P. 81st bit. What is a weight balanced tree? Option A, a binary tree that stores the size of subtrees in nodes. Option B, a binary tree with an additional attribute of weight. Option C, a height balanced binary tree. Option D, a normal binary tree. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి Option A binary tree that stores the size of subtrees in nodes. 82nd bit. What are the applications of weight balanced tree? Option A, dynamic sets, dictionaries, sequences, maps. Option B, heaps. Option C, sorting. Option D, storing strings. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, dynamic sets, dictionaries, sequences and maps. 83rd bit. Which of the following is the most widely used external memory data structure? Option A, AVL tree. Option B, B tree. Option C, red black tree. Option D, both AVL tree and red black tree. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, B tree. 84th bit. In a max heap, element with the greatest key is always in the which node? Option A, leaf node. Option B, first node of left subtree. Option C, root node. Option D, first node of right subtree. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, root node. 85th bit. Heap can be used as dash. Option A, priority queue. Option B, stack. Option C, a decreasing order array. Option D, normal array. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, priority queue. 86th bit. What is a hash table? Option A, a structure that maps value to keys. Option B, a structure that maps keys to values. Option C, a structure used for storage. Option D, a structure used to implement stack and queue. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, a structure that maps keys to values. 87th bit. What data organization method is used in hash tables? Option A, stack. Option B, array. Option C, linked list. Option D, queue. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, linked list. 88th bit. Which of the following operations are done in a hash table? Option A, insert only. Option B, search only. Option C, insert and search. Option D, replace. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, insert and search. 89th bit. Which of the following statements for a simple graph is correct? Option A, every path is a trail. Option B, every trail is a path. Option C, every trail is a path as well as every path is a trail. Option D, path and trail have no relation. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, every path is a trail. 90th bit. Which of the following is true? Option A graph may contain no edges and many vertices. Option B, a graph may contain many edges and no vertices. Option C, a graph may contain no edges and no vertices. Option D, a graph may contain no vertices and many edges. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, a graph may contain many edges and no vertices. 91st bit. A graph with all vertices having equal degrees is known as dash. Option A, multi-graph. Option B, regular graph. Option C, simple graph. Option D, complete graph. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, regular graph. 92nd bit. A graph having an edge from each vertex to another, 92nd bit. A graph having an edge from each vertex to every other vertex is called as dash. Option A, tightly connected. Option B, strongly connected. Option C, weakly connected. Option D, loosely connected. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, tightly connected. 93rd bit. Which of the given statement is true? Option A, all the cyclic directed graphs has topological shortings. Option B, all the acyclic directed graphs have topological shortings. Option C, all directed graphs have topological shorting. Option D, all the cyclic directed graphs have non-topological shortings. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all the cyclic directed graphs have non-topological shortings. 94th bit. Binary decision diagram is a type of dash. Option A, multigraph. Option B, cyclic graph. Option C, directed acyclic graph. Option D, directed acyclic word graph. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, directed acyclic graph. 95th bit. Inverter graph is a type of dash. Option A, multigraph. Option B, cyclic graph. Option C, directed acyclic graph. Option D, directed acyclic word graph. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, directed acyclic graph. 96th bit. All trees with n vertices consist of n-1 edges. True or false? Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, true. 97th bit. The number of elements in the adjacency matrix of a graph having 7 vertices is dash. Option A, 7. Option B, 14. Option C, 36. Option D, 49. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, 49. ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.